Hi guys, Brit Tech here, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your Apple Watch face. So pretty much what you do is press on the screen and hold. And you see customize right here. So select customize. And you can go ahead and turn the digital crown to whatever settings you want. I guess I can use, let's see, Shanghai, that's a nice one. And then you can scroll over and, change this stuff with, the digital crown. That's how you change all your settings. And then pretty much once you, get it to how you want it to be, just go ahead and press the digital crown twice and the settings should stay. And guys, that is how you customize your Apple Watch face. There are many other options as well. Let's see, I'll go ahead and press it again. And you can just swipe through and see all the different options. So once you select it, whichever one you want, go ahead and select it, and you can customize it based off of your selection. Press it down, customize, and change whatever you want about it with the digital crown. So yes guys, hope this helps. See you next time on Brit Tech.